Hello everybody. In last lecture we tried to get understanding about the powerful feature in the Tableau desktop, that is the filtering. Okay, and we saw several ways by which the filter can be used for different data types, how that filters can be created and how those can be made available to the users over there. Okay, so now with along with filters, right, another concept that goes hand in hand, that is the parameter. Okay, so parameter is basically a value, a variable's value. Okay, so now let's say you have a scenario where you want to give an capability to the user, like give me top 10 items. Okay, and in first place, right, I can go ahead and use the top 10 feature in Tableau desktop, and I can showcase them the top 10 items over there. But now instead of that, you have presented that visual to your audiences, and now they are asking the capability that instead of top 10 items products, or I am interested in the top 5 products only. Okay, so somebody else will come and he's asking you top 7 products over there. So now what's happening, your underlying query is still remaining the same. What is changing over there? Only the parameter n over there, the number of records that needs to be shown over there. So is there any way by which I can expose only that particular part to the audiences over there? Query is still same, right? Top n I need to find out, where n is going to come from the users over there. Okay, so that is the way by which, right, whatever that n is changing over there. So let's go ahead and figure out that how we can go ahead and make utilization of those parameters over there. So now all these parameters that you are creating over there, right, those are listed in your data section over there. Okay, so you can go ahead and here also a way is coming, create parameter. You can go ahead and use this particular create parameter feature in order to create own parameter. Okay, so I can just go ahead and say my param, and I can go ahead and use this particular param anywhere. Maybe in the calculated fields I can make its utilization, in the expressions I can make its utilization, in the filters I can go ahead and make the utilization of that particular parameter. Okay, so I can specify the data type, current value and the respected things. So it just a parameter has been created. Just creating a parameter doesn't make it available inside the right hand side section over there. So this is the section that your audiences will be playing with. Okay, so now for that purpose it has to be used somewhere. Okay, maybe the top n related stuff that we were talking over there, right, maybe when I will use the top n feature over there, then I will go ahead and I will be able to refer that particular parameter over there. So now here I am seeing, let's go ahead and try that particular feature. Okay, I want to create an top n over there based on the top 5 customers or top 10 customers over there. So already an filter has been added over there. Okay, sum of cells, customer ID, by customer ID we are seeing, and top 10 customers are being showcased. So let's go ahead and see that how this thing is achieved over there. So let's go ahead and edit this particular filter over there, and you can go ahead and space this particular top n. Okay, so by default they have hard coded that value. Okay, so by field sum of cells, by sum of cells show me the top 10 customers. If I change here the 5, your visual will get updated and it will show the 5 customers over. Let's go ahead and do that thing. Okay, so now here if you are seeing, it's now showing top 5 customers by the sales figures. Okay, but now we don't want that thing. This is kind of a static filter that is present. So whatever this n is there, right, top n parameter is there, the number of top n customers, that has to be coming from the users over there. So now how you can do that thing? Now the parameter will be helping me here. Okay, I can go ahead and create. So already whatever parameters are present over there, they are listed over there. But now let's go ahead and create a new parameter over there. So that is top n parameter. Current value is 5, let's say, and we want to restrict it to 10 only. Minimum is 1, max is 10. Okay, and let's see how that works now. Okay, so now you are seeing that filter is exposed to your audience over there. Okay, so the default value that you placed over there, that was the 5. Okay, so now you can go ahead and make change to that particular filter value over there. Okay, the slider is coming over there. I am changing that slider, and now I am saying that show me only 1 customer, show me top 2 customers, top 3 customers, 4 customers, 5 customers, and so on. Okay, that is the way by which you can make utilization of that particular parameter. So now that parameter, if appropriate calculated field is present over there, you can go ahead and make utilization of that particular parameter there as well. Okay, so this is the thing that I wanted to convey about the usage of the parameters, right? People usually get confused or puzzled between the parameters and the filters. The parameter is just a value. Okay, whereas filter is the full-fledged condition. If I talk in SQL terms, it's your basically where clause you are specifying over there, and maybe in that where clause, if you want to pass in those parameter values, right, country is this, maybe state is this. Okay, so what are those parameter values you need to fill in over there? Those parameter values are going to be provided by your parameters over there, right? You are creating more interactive filters by way of this parameter, by providing the facility to the users, by way of exposing these parameters to the users over there. We'll continue our discussion about these advanced features over there. So we have covered the filters and parameters till now. We will continue and we will talk about in more detailed manner about the calculated fields in the upcoming lectures over there. Thank you.